The Lynk Co brand, created by Geely and Volvo, has introduced a new top model called the Lynk Co 900, and this is the first car on the SPA Evo platform, which has evolved in a different direction. It is designed for advanced hybrids. There are three modifications of the crossover. The basic one has a 1.5 petrol turbo 4, a front electric motor with a capacity of 218 horsepower and a rear one with 313 horsepower. The total power of the system is 721 horsepower. The second option is a 2-liter turbo engine, and the power of the electric motors is 167 and 313 horsepower, respectively. The total output is 734 horsepower. The top version differs in that it has not one, but two electric motors, 218 horsepower per wheel, installed on the rear axle. Such a hybrid with a capacity of 857 horsepower is capable of accelerating to 100 km per hour in 4 seconds. The maximum speed will exceed 200 km/h. The SPA Evo platform has a double wishbone suspension at the front, a multi-link at the rear, and adaptive shock absorbers and dual-chamber air struts are installed as standard. On sharp turns, separate chambers work in synchronous mode to minimize roll. A steering mechanism appeared on the rear axle. The maximum angle of rotation of the wheels is 20 degrees. The crossover can drive diagonally in crab mode. Brakes with 4-piston mechanisms are installed at the front. Dimensions: length 5,240 mm, width 1999 mm, height 1810 mm, depending on the configuration. Wheels with a diameter of 20 or 21 inches are provided. Retractable door handles, active flaps in the front bumper and the bottom, covered with fairings, made it possible to achieve an aerodynamic drag coefficient CD equal to 0.291. On the front panel there is a narrow instrument screen, a projector, and a huge 30-inch touchscreen media system with a resolution of 6K. Exactly the same screen is installed under the ceiling in the second row. It folds from the crossbar between the sections of the panoramic roof. At the end of the central tunnel there is a pull-out tray for the refrigerator. The audio system is Harman Kardon. Lynk & Company's signature feature is the dual running lights. While the main headlights are complemented by a large matrix panel in the center of the front end, it contains 10,192 LEDs, each with 32 brightness levels, allowing for 3D animations to be displayed. The matrix sections are also present in the rear lights. They are separate and have a total of 2,400 cells. The Lynk Co 900 is a standalone model with a 3,160 mm wheelbase. The SPA Evo platform is designed for hybrids with wheelbases between 3,050 mm and 300 mm. The new Lynk Co 900 model has a new generation EMP power plant, which is focused on electric traction. The combustion engine can still be connected to the wheels, but no longer through a 3-speed gearbox, but through a single-speed 1.